Are you working abroad and your contract is about to expire? In this video, we'll explain everything you need to know about renewing your job contract overseas, the legal steps, employer requirements, and how to stay protected. When to start thinking about renewal? The best time to think about renewal is 2 to 3 months before your contract ends. This gives you and your employer time to process the renewal without any legal issues or gaps in employment. Steps to renewing a contract overseas. Here's a general process most countries follow for renewal. Performance review by employer. Your company will usually assess your work, attendance, and conduct. Mutual agreement. Both you and your employer must agree to the new contract. New employment contract issued. This must include updated terms, if any, salary, benefits, job title, and duration. Labor Office, immigration approval. Your employer must submit the contract to the relevant ministry or labor department. Residence permit or visa renewal. Your stay permit or work visa must also be extended in most cases. What you must check before signing. Before signing a renewed contract, make sure to read and understand the new terms. Confirm your salary, working hours, leave days, and any changes. Keep a signed copy of the agreement. Never sign a blank or incomplete contract. Country-specific rules. Some countries have specific rules. In the Gulf region, the employer typically handles all renewal steps with immigration. In Europe, some countries may require you to return home and reapply. Others allow renewal locally. In Asia, certain work permits are tied to your contract and must be extended together. Check the process with your employer or embassy to avoid overstaying or illegal employment. How JIFCO supports you. If you were placed by JIFCO Recruitment, we help you coordinate renewal with your employer. Our team ensures the new contract is legally compliant, and we guide you if you're switching employers or roles after expiry. Call to action. Planning to renew your contract abroad or need help understanding the legal process? Contact JIFCO Recruitment for trusted guidance. www.jifcorecruitment.com info@jifcorecruitment.com. Stay informed, stay legal, work confidently.